Hello little friends, come closer now. Bluey bounces under the bright morning sun. She giggles, tail swishing with playful joy. The air feels magical, sparkling with surprise. A rumble stirs across the grassy field, something heavy thumps closer with each step. Bluey tilts her head, ears twitching curiously. Her heart races, but wonder shines brighter. Through tall grass, a giant figure appears, not scary, but funny and strange. A big thin lion stumbles into view, his mane looks messy, his body wobbly. Bluey gasps, her eyes grow wider. Could this be a monster or friend? The lion sneezes with a tiny squeak. Bluey bursts out laughing at once. The meadow fills with warm giggles, sunlight dances like golden fairy dust. The lion blinks, tail swishing nervously. He tries to roar, but coughs instead. Bluey hops closer, paws soft and kind. Her courage grows stronger with each step. She whispers gently, "Hello, funny lion." The lion tilts his head, curious too. Children, can you imagine this scene? A brave pup meeting a silly lion? Like this video and subscribe, so you never miss more adventures. The lion lowers down with a smile. Bluey pats his paw without fear. A friendship spark glows between them. Their laughter echoes across the meadow. They run in circles, grass flying high, butterflies scatter like confetti in air. The lion chases his own tail clumsily. Bluey rolls over, giggling non-stop. Every step feels magical and bright, every sound invites joy and wonder. The meadow becomes their secret kingdom, where fear melts into playful delight. Soon the sky paints orange and pink, the day whispers softly toward night. Bluey yawns, curling beside her friend. The lion hums a sleepy little tune. Stars twinkle above like gentle eyes. The world feels safe, cozy, calm. Bluey sighs with a smile so wide. The lion snores, sounding silly but sweet. Children, imagine this happy ending. Would you dream such a funny friend? Bluey and the lion rest peacefully, hearts warm, laughter waiting for tomorrow.